Good morning, students. Today we have to proceed the same chapter Indigo that is written by Louis Fisher. In this chapter, Mahatma Gandhi was telling whatever had happened in Champaran to the author Louis Fisher. In the previous lecture, I told you that an official commission of inquiry was set in the case of the sharecropping arrangement that was going on in Champaran. And in this commission consisted of landlords, government officials and Gandhiji, who was the main representative from the side of the peasants. Actually, this commission was set because many big planters were there who had taken the amount from the sharecroppers forcefully by saying that they would get released from the sharecropping arrangement if they would give them compensation amount. Actually, it was the part of their planning because Germany had developed synthetic indigo. Okay, now I am going to proceed from here. The official inquiry assembled a crushing amount of evidence against the big planters. And when they saw this, they agreed in principle to make refunds to the peasants. Okay, already told you the official inquiry already set up. Now, these three were their landlords, British official governors, as well as Gandhiji. Now here they assembled an extreme mountain of evidences against the big planters. जो कमीशन था, इन कमीशन ने प्लांटर्स के खिलाफ बहुत ज़्यादा सबूत इकट्ठे कर लिए. And when the planters saw this, they knew very well that here the case was against them and there was no use to say anything regarding that. There was no use to oppose the commission regarding that. That's why they had to surrender. And they agreed for that. And according to that commission, they will have to make a refund to the peasants. Earlier, they had taken the amount forcefully from the sharecroppers, and according to the commission, they will have to refund the amounts to the peasants. Now, the next question create. The planters asked Gandhiji, but how much amount they must pay to him? अब सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन क्या क्रिएट हुआ कि आखिर पैसा कितना वापस किया जाए. They thought, the planters thought, Gandhiji would demand repayment in full the money. Planters को लगा Gandhiji would demand repayment in full of the money which the planters had illegally and deceitfully extorted from the sharecroppers. Deceitfully and extorted means here, deceitfully means deceiving way, धोखे से जो उन्होंने अमाउंट लिया था, और extorted means forcefully. Now the big planters asked the question to Gandhiji, how much amount must be paid by them to the sharecroppers. They knew very well that here they had taken the amount illegally and forcefully by deceiving them from the sharecroppers. Now they thought that Gandhiji obviously would demand for 100%. But the surprising thing was there, Gandhiji asked only for 50%. पर गांधीजी ने यहाँ सिर्फ 50% का डिमांड करा. जो अमाउंट उन्होंने लिया था फोर्सफुली कंपनसेशन अमाउंट, तो गांधीजी ने उनको क्या कहा कि दे हैव टू पे ओनली 50%. देयर ही सीम्ड एडमेंट, राइट्स रेवरेंड J.Z. Hose, who was a British missionary in Champaran who observed the entire episode at close range. You must mark these lines. Who was J.Z. Hose? Respected J.Z. Hose was a British missionary एक धर्म प्रचारक थे who was living Champaran. He was a person who had observed the entire episode at a very close way, at closely. जिन्होंने इस पूरे एपिसोड को बहुत क्लोज वे में देखा था. He was the eyewitness of that episode. Now J.Z. Ho's writes कि गांधी जी seemed adamant. ऐसा लग रहा था गांधी जी had demanded for 50%. Obviously the big planters would have refunded the amount of 50%. तो ऐसा लग रहा था. ये बात J.Z. Hos ने बताया. Thinking probably that he would not give way, the representative of the planters offered to refund to the extent of 25%, and to his amazement, Mr. Gandhi took him at his word and thus breaking the deadlock. अब यहाँ पर thinking probably that he would not give way, ऐसा भी लग रहा था. There was no chance that Gandhi ji would be agreed for 25% or other thing may be there. But here, now here the representative of the planters offered to refund that he would give only 25% to the sharecroppers. And the representative of the party or the big planters thought that Gandhiji would never agree for that. But the surprising thing was that here Gandhiji was agreed for that. And Mr. Gandhi took him and he accepted the offer of the representative of the big planter, his word for the representative, because he wanted to finish the bond of contention forever. क्योंकि ये जो झगड़े का मैटर चल रहा था, ये जो प्रोसेस चल रहा था कि अब उसको किसी न किसी तरह फिनिश करना चाहते थे. डेडलॉक मीन्स अ स्टेट इन विच फर्दर एक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो हमेशा के लिए इस मैटर को सॉल्व करना चाहते थे. तो आई वुड समराइज इन सच ए वे कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द कमीशन द डिसीजन वाज टेकन दैट they must refund the amount to the peasants. The big planters thought that Gandhiji would demand for 100%, but Gandhiji demanded only for 50%. But again the representative of the big planters presented that he was ready to give only 25%, and they thought that Gandhiji would never agreed for that. But the surprising thing was that here Gandhiji agreed for that because he wanted to finish this matter forever. Because this time in the modern history, this time only in the time the big planters or the Britishers accepted their defeat. They gave some amount to the peasants. In such a way, the case was in favor of Gandhiji. This is a very important part. It is the settlement. This thing has been called the settlement. अभी जो मैंने previous बताया, you have to say for the settlement. The settlement was adopted unanimously. अब यहाँ पर the three were the part of the commission: landlords, Gandhiji, and the British on the government officials. अब यहाँ पर जो settlement था उसको accept कर लिया गया. Everybody was in favor of that decision. और हर किसी का डिसीजन फेवर में रहा. हर किसी का एक ही ओपिनियन था. बिना सर्वसम्मति के साथ इस मैटर को मान लिया गया कमीशन के द्वारा भी. गांधी जी एक्सप्लेन दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ द रिफंड वॉज लेस इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट डजंट मैटर. गांधी जी गॉट ओनली 25%. द मनी डिड नॉट मैटर because the amount of the refund was less important. What the thing was important? The thing was important that the landlords had been forced कि landlords को जो big planters हैं उनको मजबूर करा गया to surrender part of the money that had been forcefully taken by them from the sharecroppers. They have to give back to them. तो पहली बार ऐसा हुआ था कि उन्हें फोर्स किया गया, मजबूर दिया गया उस अमाउंट को वापस देने के लिए विद इट. और ये पार्ट ऑफ द प्रेस्टिज. और ये उनके आगे झुके, शेयर क्रॉपर्स के आगे झुके. और ये उनके लिए एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिज का मैटर था और यहाँ पर उनकी प्रेस्टीज को किसी तरह की हानि हुई थी। और पहली बार इतिहास में ऐसा हुआ था कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, जो बिग प्लांटर्स थे, उन्हें अपनी हार को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ा। It doesn't matter कि 25% amount that they got, but what's the main thing important is here that they accepted their the big planters accepted their defeat. Therefore, as far as the peasants were concerned, जहाँ तक मैटर peasants के कंसर्न में था, they knew very well that earlier the planters or the Britishers had behaved as lords. वो अपने आप को भगवान समझते थे और वो अपने आप को कानून से भी ऊपर समझते थे। अब now the peasants had come to know one thing that here, if anything would be going on wrong, तो they can be these type of planters can be opposed. अब यहाँ पर peasant now the peasant saw that he for the peasant means the whole class may be there. अब peasant को भी बस समझ आ गई थी कि उनके here his own rights, कि उनके खुद के अधिकार हैं और उनके रक्षक भी है। अगर कुछ गलत होगा तो obviously there would be defenders like Mahatma Gandhi that he had. In such a way, the peasants or the sharecroppers of Champaran learned the lesson of the courage. कि उन्होंने बहादुरी का पाठ सीखा। गांधी जी wanted to inculcate them the same feeling, and Gandhi ji at last succeeded in his mission. For example, you have to include whatever the efforts have been done by the sharecroppers in Motihari. Motihari was black with peasants. It means that here कि these persons had come to help Gandhi ji. Black with peasants का मतलब यहाँ पर है the people Mahatma Gandhi was able to see only the heads of the peasant. That's why it was called the black with the peasants. Okay. Now events justifies Gandhi ji's position. ये तो clear हो गया. Gandhi ji was the leader. And he was the champion, he was fighting for the rights. अब गांधी जी की पोजीशन सबके सामने क्लियर थी, how great person he was. Within a few years, the British planters abandoned their states. The result was there, whoever the British planters, those who forcefully taken the land of the sharecroppers, they had to leave their places. कि उनको उस प्लेस को छोड़ना पड़ा, स्टेट्स को छोड़ना पड़ा, which reverted to the peasants, और उन्हें they had to give back the land to the peasants. उन्हें उन places को, उनके lands को उन्हें वापस देना पड़ा, लौटाना पड़ा. They give up to. In such a way, indigo sharecropping disappeared forever. इस तरह से indigo sharecropping, the procedure was there, sharecropping arrangement was there, ancient arrangement was there, landlord system was there. This was ended forever. Gandhiji never contented himself with large political or economic solutions. Gandhiji never satisfied himself with large political or economic solutions. Gandhiji यहीं तक ही नहीं रुके. अब now he wanted to do something or more for the people of the Champaran. For that reason, what the step has been taken by Gandhiji, he observed that the condition of Champaran is not good. He observed also that the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran villages. He also knew very well that here, if the further step has not been taken regarding education, they would also again the victim in the future as earlier they had to face. So the decision was taken, something step must be taken so that the social backwards can be removed forever. For that system, Gandhiji thought some steps must be taken regarding education. Then, and he wanted to do something about it immediately. और वो बहुत जल्दी इस मैटर में कुछ एक्शन लेना चाहते थे. For that reason, he appealed for the teachers. सबसे पहले उन्होंने टीचर से अपील करा कि they must give education to these persons. Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parikh, two young men who had just joined Gandhi ji as disciples. Disciples शिष्य को कहते हैं, pupils को कहते हैं. यहाँ पर वो उनके शिष्य थे, उन्होंने इसको voluntarily help करना चाहा गांधी जी को. And their wives, the wives of these two persons, voluntarily, willingly, they were ready to help Gandhi ji. Several more came from Bombay, Pune and other distant parts of the land to help Gandhi ji. Along with these persons, Devdas, who was the youngest son of Gandhi ji, had arrived from the ashram, And along with that, Gandhiji's wife, Mrs. Kasturba Gandhi, also came to help her husband. Primary schools were opened in 6 places so that uh, something social backwardness can be removed and education can be given to these people. Kasturba Gandhi taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation. कस्तूरबा गांधी ने वहाँ के कुछ आश्रम रूल्स को चंपारण के लोगों को बताया. And he also told the importance of cleanliness as well as the community sanitation. Some steps were also taken to improve the health conditions. गांधी जी का कंडीशन सिर्फ ओनली पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी तक नहीं रहा. सिर्फ ये नहीं कि इंडिगो शेयर क्रॉपिंग ख़त्म हो गई वहीं तक सीमित नहीं रहे. दे वांटेड टू ही आल्सो वांटेड टू डू समथिंग रियल फॉर दैम. हेल्थ कंडीशंस वर रियली मिजरेबल. तो गांधी जी गॉट ए डॉक्टर टू वॉलंटियर सर्विस फॉर 6 months. तो यहाँ पर डॉक्टर हैड कम स्पेशली टू हेल्प गांधी जी एंड ही प्रोवाइडेड हिज हेल्प वॉलंटरी फॉर 6 months. फॉर दैट रीज़न 3 मेडिसिन्स वर अवेलेबल. इसके लिए 3 मेडिसिन को अवेलेबल करा गया. castor oil, quinine and sulfur ointment. These 3 were their medicines. Anybody who had a problem of cotton tongue was given a dose of castor oil. The tongue problem created because of abdomen problem may be there. कि एब्डोमेन प्रॉब्लम की वजह से टंग में जो हमारी जीभ है उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है. और यहाँ पर फॉर दैट रीज़न जैसे अल्सर ये छाले हो जाते हैं. तो फॉर दैट रीज़न द स्टेप वाज टेकन दैट ईयर इफ द पर्सन हैज़ अ कॉटेड टंग इन दैट केस द पर्सन मस्ट बी गिवन ऑफ डोज ऑफ कैस्टर ऑयल. इफ एनीबडी हैज़ अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मलेरिया फीवर तो ही वॉज गिवन कुनीन प्लस कैस्टर ऑयल. जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स हमें मेडिसिन के साथ साथ एंटीबायोटिक देते हैं. इन सच ए वे द पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम मलेरिया तो ही वुड गेट quinine plus castor oil. If a person has a skin problem तो he would be given ointment. उनको एक ointment दिया जाता था along with castor oil. जैसे कि ointment लगाने के लिए दिया जाता है स्किन प्रॉब्लम को, साथ में कुछ मेडिसिन दी जाती खाने के लिए. तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से these medicine 3 medicines were arranged that time. गांधी जी also noticed the miserable condition of the women clothes. Gandhiji asked Kasturba Gandhi to talk to these women about the miserable state. When Kasturba Gandhi shared her problem in front of these women, then one of the women took Kasturba Gandhi into her hut. जब कस्तूरबा गांधी ने प्रॉब्लम उन विमेन के आगे रखी तो उनमें से एक विमेन अपनी हट में कस्तूरबा गांधी को ले गई और उस लेडी ने क्या कहा, लुक नाउ द स्पीकर इज द वुमेन एंड द लिसनर इज कस्तूरबा गांधी. लुक देयर इज नो बॉक्स इन द कबर्ड, no box in the cupboard here for clothes. The sari that she was wearing, that was the only sari that she had. You can observe the pitiable condition of that lady. क्योंकि ऐसी कंडीशन में when the lady has only one sari, in that condition, how can you teach about the lesson of sanitation, the lesson of cleanliness? Now the pitiable condition, the women can be seen that here. It means that when Kasturba Gandhi heard these words, she was also shocked to listen that here. During his long stay in Champaran, Gandhiji kept a long distance watch on the ashram. When Gandhiji had to stay in Champaran, it never meant that he was fully devoted to Champaran. He was also alert whatever was going in Sevagram. He sent regular instructions by mail and asked for financial accounts. तो लगातार इन्फॉर्मेशन भेजते रहते थे मेल के थ्रू आश्रम में. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स को भी देखते रहते थे. Once he wrote to the residents of the Sevagram, it was time to fill in the old latrine trenches because he knew very well that कि what step must be taken when they face such type of problem. तो वहाँ पर बैठे बैठे वो नहीं पता था क्या चीज़ सही है क्या गलत है. तो he advised them कि they must dig new latrine trenches because the old one had been filled. That's why it proves that Gandhiji was alert not only in Sevagram, so not only in Champaran people, but also the people who belong to Sevagram. Okay,